ìlàdé ẹ jẹ́ kí ìdákẹ́jẹ́ tó nítumọ̀ wà ẹ wò kẹ́ tó kéwò ẹ wò kẹ́ tó kéwò ẹ dákẹ́jẹ́ kẹ́ ìgbà ẹ̀rí ayọ̀ lẹ́sìn orí ẹ̀sà.
Accord. Oneness and progress. My people of Ibadan, great people of Oyo State, compatriots of Southwest, fellow Nigerians, the people have spoken. But before I go further, I would like to recognize my ESCO, the National Deputy Chairman, Ajamira, and my Ebu and Shakashos National Secretary, Honorable Adata, and my National ESCO of the National Working Committee and the Oyo State ESCO, and my party leaders from the whole Southwest. This speech will not be complete if I do not pause and welcome and appreciate our able governor, the governor of Osun State, His Excellency, Senator Jackson Adeleke, heavily represented by the political advisor and commissioner of political affairs and other advisors from Osun State. And also Accord members nationwide. I appreciate all of you. We are gathered here at the heart of the ancient city of Ibadan. Oyo State is home to Accord. Oyo State, when you talk of Accord, you talk of Oyo State. And when you talk of Oyo State, you talk of Accord. Our gathering here is not merely to welcome a man, but to affirm a movement of conscience, courage, and conviction. Because today, you can testify with me that Accord is not a movement. Today, Accord proudly received Dr. Oriyomi, Hamzat, and his associates into our fold. This declaration is not about political arithmetics. It is about political purpose. It is about choosing a platform that listens. A party that members the people, and a movement that refuses to mortgage the future of our children. Ibadan has always been a city of thought, of resistance, of vision. From this city, ideas have shaped Nigeria. And today, from the same ground, we say, enough is enough.
That's what they never hear them before. Now they go hear them. They never saw them before. Now they go hear them. That's it, let them know. I'm going to number one. Let them go. I'm going to kill you. Let them go. I'm going to number one. Let them go.
Like I said, Accord stands here and said, enough is enough. Enough of recycled promises, enough of government that remember the people only during elections, enough of leadership without accountability, democracy without dividends, governance without compassion. For too long, past and present government have failed the ordinary Nigerians. The Democratic Party was handed over by the people, but the benefits of democracy were captured by the few. And today, we say, this is not the democracy that our forefathers fought for us. This is not the Nigeria that we pray for. And that is why Accord exists. In Accord, we do not build around our fathers. It is Accord is built around the people. Accord is not driven by personal ambition. Accord is driven by public interest. In Accord, leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege. Power is a trust and not a trophy. Today, the entrance of Dr. Hamzat today strengthens our resolve in our state and reinforces our growing presence across the entire southwest. From Lagos to Ogun, from Ondo to Ekiti, from Osun to Oyo, Accord is arising. Accord is steadily and quietly and deliberately arising. And I assure you, Accordians all over the world, and in Accord, we are building structures, not slogans, and we are offering solutions, not excuses. This declaration today sends a clear message that Accord is open, Accord is ready, and Accord is prepared to govern. And based on that, I hereby call the man of the moment.